This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make shrimp rolls. We'll start by gathering our fresh ingredients, including succulent shrimp, soft, buttery rolls, and a few key seasonings. The secret to truly amazing shrimp rolls lies in a creamy, flavorful dressing, which we'll prepare next. Remember, keeping all your ingredients well chilled is crucial for achieving that perfect, refreshing taste and texture. Let's get cooking. Now, let's cook our shrimp. Poach them gently in lightly salted water until they turn a beautiful pink and are just firm to the touch. Overcooking makes them tough, so watch them closely. Once cooked, immediately transfer the shrimp to an ice bath to stop the cooking process and keep them tender. After chilling, chop the shrimp into nice, bite-sized pieces, ready for our delicious dressing. The heart of our shrimp rolls is the signature dressing. In a bowl, combine good quality mayonnaise with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a generous amount of finely chopped fresh herbs, like dill or chives. For a delightful crunch and extra flavor, we'll also add a small amount of finely diced celery. Season the dressing generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, ensuring it's perfectly balanced. Finally, it's time to assemble our incredible shrimp rolls. Gently fold the chilled, cooked shrimp into your prepared dressing, making sure every piece is coated. Next, lightly toast your soft rolls in a pan with a little butter until they're golden brown and slightly crispy. This adds a wonderful texture. Generously fill each toasted roll with the shrimp mixture and serve immediately for the freshest, most delicious experience. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.